Hello everyone, so welcome back again. And today we have Breadboard with us. So let's talk about the breadboard, how it works, and what are the functions of this breadboard. So basically, here we can see that these pins are connected internally, okay, and these are also connected internally throughout the range, okay, and these pins are basically connected to each other. Five pins are connected internally. Okay, so let me show you the proper diagram. How does it works? Okay, so let me share the screen. So basically, this is the structure of a breadboard. Okay, so these pins are basically connected throughout the range. Okay, so these are internally connected to each other. Okay, like this one, and these second one also interconnected to each other. Okay, so this is also connected. Second one, this is connected throughout, and these two also internally connected throughout the range from starting to end. And in the same way, this is also connected throughout. Okay. So, like if you are connecting one device to this port and one device to this port, then that will be internally connected. Okay. In the same way, these pins are vertically connected to each other. Okay. So like first one, second one is five pins are internally connected. These pins are also internally connected. These are also internally connected. Okay. What does this mean? Like if you connect a device over here and one over here, one pin over here and one over here, so that will be internally connected to each other. So what is the benefit of that? Let us assume that I just want to give the power supply to the multiple devices at the same time. What I will do, I will connect plus uh, 3.3 volt uh, pin to this one and ground to this one. So what is the benefit of that? In the same way, by using a single pin, we can add multiple devices. We can supply the power to the multiple devices because I have multiple options like 5, 10, 15 or more than 30 option we have at the same time. Using a single pin, I can able to deliver the power to the multiple devices, right? In the same way, I can able to deliver the ground to the multiple devices at the same time. Okay. And in the same way, if I want to trigger the multiple devices from the output of ESP, so I can able to give that output from these pins at the same time. Okay. So this is how the breadboard works. Okay. So in the next videos, we are going to give you the more detail about all that. Have a nice day.